Hello YouTube. It's been a while since I've made a video, but I wanted to show you a product that has simplified my management of charging cables. So this is kind of typical what comes with some of the USB-C cables. There's a loop and you run it over the run it over the cable, and then you're able to wrap it and secures the cable. Kind of difficult to use in my opinion, because then you have to unwrap it, and now it's connected here and it slides up and down. It's really not great. It holds the cable, but could be better. So now I found these silicon cable ties made by a South Korean company, Sinjimoru, Sinjimoru, and here it is tied up on a USB-C cable, and comes off quick. Now the cable's free, and then you can make one more step and take it off completely. But if you want to wrap it, now the cable's tied. To release it again, once again, you just grab the smaller end and pull. Now it's free. And then you can continue pulling, and then it comes off completely. It's the best system for managing charging cables that I've found.